But I've seen some really hairy women out there.
Yeah.
How about a shave? Do you ever give a lady a shave?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, sure.
I think you could shave a woman's facial hair though. It'd be good business. You should get into that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Have you ever killed a man in this chair?
Oh, yeah.
You have?
Mm-hmm.
We'll keep that as a secret just between us, okay?
Yeah.
Have you ever been to outer space?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Do you understand what I'm asking sometimes? No? You have no idea?
No.
Have you ever done sound on a TV show before, John?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you have? Well, we might have to put you in for our sound guy. Are you alright with that?
Mm-hmm.
How's the sound?
No.
It's good sound?
No, I can't convince anything.
You can't hear anything?
No.
You're doing a better job than our sound guy.
Yeah.
What about host? Do you ever host a show?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You talking to me?
It's a good look for me. She's putting her fingers up my nose. Yeah, you're what? Touching the wrong area there. You know, this is entertainment, you know? This is what people at home want to see.